Good morning, friends. This is CA Sharup Ghosh from Stock Show Deck. So, after this long week, I thought to bring in this video in front of you to give my views of market in the coming week, which is very important week. So, let's talk about start with Nifty, and let me also tell you that I have also developed a lot of signals which will be automatic and which will be discussing in when we are going to explain it in live charts, how that can assist you to make money every day on intraday basis. So let's start with Nifty. This is Nifty spot and these pink lines are all support lines. So what we are getting in Nifty? Nifty is forming lot of island gaps here. All of you are aware of these gaps. For example, this is where the gap was created. Let me okay. These are all island gaps. You can see big gaps which has not been filled. Price has not been filled. So therefore, in such a situation where you have many island gaps, and the stock is not able to really cross these islands, which means the trend is neutral to bearish. But since we have lot of big candles, big black candles, we are not confident that the stock would grow up. So therefore, overall, my view about Nifty is bearish, and it is also struggling to cross resistance lines here. So let's talk about how do we do intraday trading, because that is everybody is interested. And let us pick up Reliance stocks. So in intraday basis, how do we trade? In fact, we'll discuss a lot of signals that we have automated. See, we have a stock show ride here. We have a stock show magic area here. You can see stock show magic area. You have stock show ride, and we have stock show setup. You only need these three things to run your business. So let's talk about 14th of May, because I want to cover 2 days so that you get a good picture of how the setup works. And it's a 15-minute chart. See, you are getting some special candles here, pink color candle, then you have black candle, you have pink color candle, and also certain messages. O equal to OL, that is open equal to low, which indicates the stock is now bearish. So after a downtrend, stock has become bullish. So also it is supported by swing buy, which means the downtrend is going to be arrested, and this is the time you should take action. How you are going to take actions on these charts? You are going to take action on this chart on the basis of our set of rules. Now let me elaborate how the trading has to be done. We have developed a very special marking in X candle. You see, this is the X candle here, X written out here. This X candle is very important. Once the stock reaches this X candle, which means it's an area for you to take action, right? So once this is the area where we got a sale entry. How do we enter into a sale entry? We are entering into a sale entry based on certain logic which I explained in my earlier earlier episodes. If you are not comfortable, please go through our earlier episode to find out how it is to be done. Now on this particular trading, the price here about is 1480. If you look at the cursor here, the price which will be given, current price, closing price is 1453, and here X candle is generated at 1453. So X candle is generated at around 1482. So if your entry logically, if you short here at 1480, then why did you go? If you short here, then you could have exited it here. Why it is exited? You have shorted it here on the X candle and you exited at this price, which means this is 1432. Look, this is the area. In this particular, this is the candle, and this is where you took a trade, right? So how much? 1480 I am saying. 1480 if is your entry, then how much would be the money you would have made in a Reliance stock? It is 500 into 50, 25,000. Why? Because this entry is at 1480, you have shorted, and you have exited at 1430, 1432. This is the area. So basically, you could have got this 15 to this 50 rupees, 45 to 50 rupees, and you are at liberty to get out of that trade. Once you have got out of the trade, what you would have done? You would have again waited for this particular signal where you have a strong buy signal. So you have a set of rules here. In the magic area, you see, when we have entered Reliance, it was purely in the magic area. But if you get X candle, you can overrule this magic area and then enjoy the swing. The signal system automatically generates you see the signal, and it basically gives you an alert when to enter in the intraday mode. You could have carried it to the next day. So on 14th, what has happened? We have taken only 2 trades in 2 days. On 15th, again we have entered Reliance at this price. See, you will not get the lowest price. So in the next candle, if you enter, it is 1420. This candle this candle is 1418. So you can always get an entry here at 1420, 1425, let's say. And then it is also, if you see this candle is outside the black zone, therefore it is a very much trading zone. And once you enter here, you also is has got a support of open equal to low candle, which also reconfirms that the downtrend was over, and so I am now ready for an up move. And then, once your entry, you have got lot of alerts. These are basically on our journey. These are the alerts that system would keep on giving you, so that it is up to the trader to decide when to exit or when to carry on with the trade. So since it is intraday, we should have gone out of the trade at this price. Our entry was at 1420, and then our 1425, and we could have exited in this red candle. So in this red candle, you have how much is the value? That even when this it closes at 1457. So 1457 minus 1420, that is 37 rupees again. So again 37 rupees, 37 into 500 rupees, again you have got 18,500. So basically, more than 50,000 you can trade in only one stock, provided you get the right signal. So this is how the stock has to be basically traded. So no tension, no jumping here and there, no finding out stocks. You pick up any stocks, and these signals are all automatic. There is no manual intervention. So therefore you only need to know the rules. And say in the 15-minute charts, I took only one entry. Now if you look at 5-minute chart, you will get multiple entries. So there is because in the small time frame, you will have a lot of noises, and then on your 15-minute chart, that noise can be eliminated for a short trader. So these are the signals which are automated, and in the Trading View platform. So all these, and this is a free platform. So therefore, only you need to know the setup and get the setup. So if you are interested in this lockdown scenario where working from home is inevitable, and sitting at home you can keep on mint money. So I am running this batches of 5 minimum for this training. So if anybody is interested, you can always take this setup. So we have different kinds of modes, and I am contactable. And I would also like to hold a live webinar to only to my uh, persons who are subscribed to my channel, and then there I will also try to take questions from you people. Thank you very much. This is Swaroop Ghosh from Stock Show Deck signing off.